Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, you can't access this shared folder because your organization's security policies block fix. First step is create share folder. Change sharing and security settings. Second step is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand services, click and expand LAN-MAN workstation. Click parameters, right-click, create new DWORD 32-bit value named as allow insecure guest auth, change value data to 1. Close and restart system. Third step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig, find Windows 7 IP address. Right-click Start button, click Run, type / Windows 7 IP address. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.